Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best D3S headlight bulb is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make for your vehicle's lighting system. These bulbs offer a significant improvement in visibility, ensuring safer nighttime driving. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of HID D3S headlight bulbs, exploring their features, benefits, and what you should consider before making a purchase to light up your way. Number 5. Torchbeam D3S HID Bulbs, 6000K Cool White. Tired of dim headlights? These Torchbeam D3S HID bulbs offer 300% more brightness than halogen bulbs. They provide a clearer view of the road ahead, especially at night. These bulbs are designed to replace your existing D3S D3R bulbs. They are compatible with various OEM part numbers. Make sure your car uses HID assembly before purchasing. Built with a shockproof aluminum shell and IP67 waterproof rating, these bulbs are made to last. They can withstand rain, snow, and dust, ensuring reliable performance in various conditions. With a low power consumption of 35 W, these bulbs prevent brightness dimming. They are designed for long-term use, providing consistent and bright illumination. Experience a brilliant 6000K cool white light, which is brighter than the original standard bulbs. This color temperature illuminates road signs more clearly, enhancing your driving experience. These D3S HID headlight bulbs come with a 24-month warranty. They are made with 100% quartz anti-ultraviolet glass and offer excellent performance. What we like. This bulb offers a significant brightness upgrade, making night driving much safer. Its shockproof design ensures durability, and the long warranty provides peace of mind. If you prioritize safety and want a reliable upgrade, you should consider this. What people say. Work great and slash as fast as the standard bulbs and flash at the same rate when the hazards are on. After having these LED headlamps installed, the difference in brightness over the stock lights was nothing short of astonishing. They were easy to install and they don't flash or flicker. Number 4. Marsauto D3S HID Bulbs, 6000K Xenon, Pack of 2. Introducing the Marsauto D3S HID bulbs, designed to dramatically improve your nighttime visibility. These bulbs offer a superior lighting experience, making driving safer and more enjoyable. Experience up to 350% more brightness compared to halogen bulbs. This enhanced brightness allows drivers to see further and react quicker to potential hazards on the road. These bulbs are built to last, providing up to 3,500 hours of use. The IP67 waterproof design ensures they can withstand various weather conditions, reducing the risk of damage. Installation is quick and easy, taking only about 5 minutes. The design ensures a perfect fit, so you can upgrade your headlights without any hassle. Please note that these bulbs are designed to replace existing D3S HID bulbs only. Make sure your vehicle uses HID headlights before purchasing. If you're unsure, please check your car's manual or contact us for assistance. What we like. This bulb shines with 350% brightness, significantly improving visibility. It also boasts a long lifespan, reducing the need for replacements. If you are looking for a quick and easy upgrade with maximum brightness, you should consider this. What people say. They are much whiter and brighter than the old bulbs. Worked well. Fits perfectly. Easy to install. I'm very happy to say that these bulbs are extremely bright as advertised and fit perfectly into my model vehicle. They also sent gloves to avoid skin oils from getting onto the bulb itself. Number 3. Sinoparcel D3S Xenon HID Headlight Bulbs, Pack of 2. Introducing the Sinoparcel D3S Xenon HID Headlight Bulbs. This pack of 2 bulbs is designed to replace your existing D3S DS3 bulbs, offering superior performance and reliability. These bulbs are a direct replacement for your stock D3S DS3 bulbs. Please confirm fitment for your vehicle before purchasing. If you have any issues, contact us, and we will respond within 24 hours. The light output is similar to the OEM bulb, providing a comfortable and safe driving experience. The design helps to reduce the risk of rain leakage and short circuits. This bulb produces up to 3 times more light than halogen bulbs, with a lumen output of up to 3600 lm. It also uses fewer watts, making it more efficient. The bulbs have a lifespan 5 times longer than halogen bulbs. They offer a more stable light output, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. What we like. This bulb provides a significant brightness boost compared to halogen bulbs, enhancing your night vision. It's designed as a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit. If you like a reliable and brighter light source, you should consider this. What people say. Works great with proper fit, they light up the road. Lights work. 8000K light temp, slightly blue color but not overwhelming. Bulb quality is great, takes less than 5 minutes to swap out. Number 2. RCP D3S 6000K Xenon HID Replacement Bulb. Introducing the RCP D3S HID bulbs. These bulbs emit 3200 lumens of brightness, which is 3 times brighter than ordinary Xenon HID bulbs. This will greatly improve your visibility at night. These 6000K bulbs produce a brighter, more natural light. The light allows you to see further down the road, making your night drives much safer. The bulbs are built with sturdy anti-UV quartz glass and premium materials. This ensures a long lifespan of up to 3000 hours, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The lamp holder is made with high-temperature material to prevent vaporization. It is also IP68 waterproof rated, reducing the risk of rain leakage and short circuits. These bulbs are designed for a plug-and-play installation. They are compatible with D3S D3R lamp optics, requiring no modifications. Simply replace your old bulbs and you're good to go. What we like. This bulb offers 3 times the brightness of standard halogen bulbs, greatly improving visibility. It also provides a safer driving experience with its focused beam. If you drive frequently at night and value safety, you should consider this. What people say. Easy installation, super bright. The RCP bulb is just as bright, and while I sure wouldn't go cheap with performance parts for that car, like tires, or suspension or engine parts, why not be a cheapskate for something as ordinary as headlights, especially headlights that go into so many non-fancy cars. Works great and saved a lot of money in the process. Number 1. Nilight D3S HID Headlight Bulbs, 6000K Diamond White. Introducing the Nilight D3S HID Headlight Bulbs. This pair of bulbs offers a 6000K diamond white light, providing superior visibility. It allows you to see further and clearer on the road. These D3S HID bulbs are much brighter than standard bulbs. This enhanced brightness helps you recognize signs and obstacles earlier, improving your driving safety. The bulbs feature a superior focused beam pattern. The illumination distance reaches up to 500 feet. This design ensures no blinding to oncoming vehicles, eliminating glare and dark spots. These bulbs are designed for plug-and-play installation. They are compatible with HID headlight assemblies. Make sure to check your vehicle's headlight type before purchasing. These bulbs are suitable for both high and low beams. They are designed with the same dimensions as factory bulbs. Always check your existing HID headlight bulbs before buying. When installing, please wear cotton gloves. This prevents oily residue from affecting the bulb's brightness. This also helps to avoid premature burnout problems. What we like. This bulb is super bright, ensuring excellent visibility on the road. It features a perfect beam pattern, preventing glare for other drivers. If you are looking for a simple, high-performance upgrade, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are very bright. The quality is great. The quality is amazing, the look is very modern and clean. There is no flickering, it was easy to install and it's a bright white, no yellowing. It functions as it should and it's worth the replacement cost. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.